Looking for an executive bungalow in the sought-after Eaglewood subdivision? Well then, let's take a look at 49 Starling Crescent.
Welcome to this 4-bedroom home.
From the entry, you walk into the living room with custom built-ins and a propane fireplace.
Next is the spacious kitchen with a granite-topped island and beautiful millwork.
The thoughtfully designed kitchen also has many extra features, like the pot filler, spice racks, and lots of extra storage.
This area also has a ductless heat pump, and the home offers in-floor heating.
Off the kitchen, you'll find a dining area and doors to the screened-in back porch.
A bright formal dining room is situated at the front of the home.
On this side of the home, you'll find the primary suite, the propane fireplace, impressive walk-in closet,
plus an ensuite bathroom with a luxurious soaker tub and a walk-in shower.
On this side of the home, you'll find a laundry room, a full bathroom, another bedroom, and access to the double-car garage.
The finished lower level offers even more living space,
including 2 more bedrooms, a family room, another full bathroom, and storage space.
Thanks for watching. For more information on 49 Starling Crescent,
visit frederictonhomes.com.